Back, let's have a look at PayPal. So if you guys are new, well, we have been covering this stock for many days now, and we have talked about this stock being at this support where, well, the longer it spends here, the longer time, and then it starts to curl back up slowly. That's what you want as a bull, but also at the same time, that would be the confirmation, like if whether you want to go short or long, because that blue, gray zone that I highlighted here, which is from 180 to 185, that's the support zone I have been watching for this name. So if you're bearish, the only time you should bet to the downside from here for this stock would be if this starts slipping these levels. All right, but to the upside, well, I'm not, I don't have a position. I'm not trading it. I'm just watching it from sidelines, and I will be interested if it starts curling higher slowly. Also, what are the indicators for it to happen that way? I mean, if the momentum is like shifts to the upside, well, if you look at a few things that I have covered many times, which is 5-day simple moving average, so momentum, day trading, or even like trying to bottom a stock if you are in that business, 5-day moving average, whenever stock gets back above it, well, that's when I would be watching it to the upside, but it has to stay above that at least 2 days. That's my rule. And also I keep an eye on other big moving averages that a lot of pretty much funds, everybody keeps an eye on. 50-day moving average, yellow line right here. So all of these moving averages downtrending at the moment, but the next moving average I would watch after 5-day would be this blue line right here, 20-day moving average, for the momentum to shift. All right. Also, MACD usually gives a hint whether this stock is about to reverse or not. If you look at it right here, right now, well, it's way down here. Definitely, a lot of you may be thinking that yes, it is oversold, and I can agree on that one. And if you look at the MACD, it's way down there, and but there's no sign at the moment that it's about to reverse or it's reversing. But if you look at the RSI, oversold for how many days now? Well, we highlighted that as well. So it's been pretty much 2 weeks now, and it can stay oversold for quite some time, because the moment it hits these zones, it doesn't mean that everybody's gonna run in to buy this stock and push it higher. So that's that. And also let's take a look what's going on with the weeklies, monthlies. So if you look at this chart right here, this is a weekly candles. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 weeks in a row it has been selling off, and it didn't have on a weekly green week yet. It's a positive week. So that's another thing. So you want to make sure that, all right, so if this stock starts putting bottom, well, you want to see it close positive on a weekly chart as well. What about the monthly chart? Well, if you look at the monthly chart, it's pretty ugly drop last 3 months, right? What about the yearly chart? I don't have a quarterly setup here yet, but on a yearly chart, we're not going to measure from top, but let's take a look how much it's down at the moment. So 22% from the beginning of the year. Well, from all-time highs, definitely much lower, but at the moment there's nothing going on with this stock to say that, hey, it's about to reverse, we're taking off from here, because just like I said on my other videos, you want to let other people find a bottom at these levels. The longer it sits here and starts curling, the better. All right, what else? Option activity today on Monday, 137,000 calls were traded, 52,000 puts were traded. What about the strike prices, individual, what people are betting on? Well, there are some spreads, but they are all pretty much in the money, closer to the money. 150, 182, 187. There are some 185, 190 calls, but there are spreads as well. There are some leaps I wanted to say. So April, not quite leaps, but April 310 call, 185 call, 195 call, 210 call for December. So bullish, but these are spreads. I'm not sure if people are selling calls to take advantage of implied volatility, or if people are playing with debit spread. So people are making $10 spread and they think that the stock can close above 187 by December 10th. So, and also 190, 185 as well. So that's it. Yeah, it's getting pretty loud outside. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.